So you're ready to write your book and you're smart enough to use AI to get there faster. Awesome job. But come on, let's be real. AI can feel overwhelming. LLMs, chatbots, models, deep research mode. I mean, what does this all even mean? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to decode all that AI jargon in plain English so you can quickly pick the perfect tool for your project. And stick around to the end because I'm going to reveal the #1 AI writing tool that I've discovered to help you bring your book to life. So, ready to understand this stuff? Let's dive in. Okay, first up, what is an LLM or large language model? Well, it's a powerful type of AI that understands and generates human like text, while a chatbot is a software program that runs on top of it and pulls from the artificial intelligence data set. Okay, so here we are in ChatGPT, and we see up in the corner, this is the ChatGPT 4.0 model. If I click the little arrow here, I can choose from all these other models. Each model is good at doing something slightly different than the others. So here, GPT 4.5 is good for writing and exploring ideas, while GPT 4.0 mini is faster for everyday tasks. So these are the models, and then the LLM is the giant database that ChatGPT, which is a chatbot, is pulling from to do its work for us. And then if that isn't enough, we have different modes of searching within the different models. So let's say we decide we're going to use GPT 4.5. Well, we could do a regular search or we could do deep research. So the difference between these two is a search will be much faster, but deep research will go through many, many more sources. And if you're a nonfiction author needing research for your book, you're definitely going to want to use deep research. It's an absolute treasure trove. Okay, so now we're looking at Claude, which is another chatbot, and it's run by a company called Anthropic. And Claude also has several models to choose from. There's Claude Haiku, there's Claude Opus, there's Claude Sonnet. So now, how do you choose Claude or ChatGPT? Maybe different parts of your book are going to need different types of writing. Claude is wonderful for storytelling, where ChatGPT deep research is incredible for nonfiction research. But maybe you're going to have parts storytelling, parts research in the book that you're writing. So the question is there a solution? Yes, you can use each tool for free, but you're going to run into lots of usage limits where it's going to cut you off and say you've created enough free usage for the day. And so that's not going to work. You're going to need a paid tool, but which one? So I'm super excited to share with you a solution that I found recently for helping to write books. It's called Launch Lemonade, and it's an LLM aggregator. So it brings together all the different models from ChatGPT and lots of the different models from Claude and from Gemini and from Meta, and it allows you to pick the one that you would like to use at a particular time. So you could use 5 different LLMs on the same project. It's up to you. So let me show you what Launch Lemonade looks like once you join. So now I'm inside my paid version of Launch Lemonade, and I can choose which LLM I want to use. They have access to so many of the different ones. So if I am working on a story part of my book, I might be using a Claude version. If I'm doing really deep research, I might be using ChatGPT or DeepSeek. This is an excellent tool, and I am so excited to share it with you. I do have an affiliate link in the description. And next time, I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom chatbot using Launch Lemonade to help you write your book using AI. And that will greatly accelerate the process, but it will still help you create a book that's your message and your unique voice. Would you like professional help in writing your book for you? If so, reach out to me at the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.